On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen. So this problem, many people have it, so this video is gonna be so helpful for you to fix it just in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Instagram app, as you can see right here, then go to the apps manager. Now after you go to the apps manager, go to apps again. Here on this page it will show you all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll until you find Instagram. After you find Instagram, click on it and then go to this force stop option, click on it and then go to the storage. Now here all what you have to do is just click on this option. It's called clear data, and after that go back and go to the settings page on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. That's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. See you later.